Hello everyone, I'm Laide Bakare.
Honorable Laide Bakare.
Okay. Laide Bakare. Thank you everyone. I want to say a very big thank you to you all my well-wishers. I love you. You guys have been so amazing. I'm still in shock myself, and I pray that may God Almighty Allah answer your prayers, inshallah. The ones you're able to discuss with someone and those ones you are able not to discuss with anyone that you have in you, I pray that may Almighty Allah make your dream come true. And the opportunity that you will be given, that will be a lifetime changing opportunity that will take you to the next level. God will definitely make it come your way. Thank you so much. Okay, so one, I really needed to address a particular issue, and it's very important. Why? Because I want to believe I'm a role model, and it's very important to set record straight. So on a particular interview where we talked about relationship, and I think it's going around the news that my stand on that will be to be a cheating partner. That is okay to be a cheating partner. Oh no, please don't. Okay, so in the context of our conversation the other time on that set, well, I said what I said, and I said it because the interviewer